So you think you got a plumbing problem. Hey, you remember on episode 1, I was talking to you about water heaters, which one's the right one for you, and I made a suggestion that you should drain your water heater. Well, come here, I want to show you why. Hey, we're out back here at Roto-Rooter in behind the building and stuff, and here's a 30-gallon water heater we took out of someone's house. 30-gallon water heater was working perfect, and it stopped. Well, I want to show you maybe why it stopped, but some other problems. So I took the liberty to cut this in half so you could see it. This is what's inside the water heater. This is why I say you should drain your water heater. This is the sediment I was telling you about settles inside a water heater. Man, you got to drain your water heater. This is what you're showering with, the hot water that comes through your faucets. This is why your water pressure might have got slow. This is why your filters are all stopped up. This is why you're having so many problems. It's coming from right here, your water heater. Drain the water heater. Drain it, drain it, drain it. It's very important, as you can see, because no one wants to be showering in this. The rust, the sediment, the junk, the whatever it is, hey, it's very, very important. Remember, you got water heater, you gotta drain them. Open them up, put a garden hose on them, and drain them regularly. You'll thank me later for you, believe me.